single leg glute bridge. We're gonna come back into your semi-supine position, so rolling yourself all the way down onto the floor. All right, I'm gonna show you a regular glute bridge to start. Both feet is closer towards your heels. Both heels are closer towards your glutes. I'm just gonna take my hands off so you can see my articulation through the spine. Otherwise, your arms will be supported right beside on the floor, okay? So I'm just lifting it off so you can see my articulation. I want you to scoop your pelvis, squeezing your glutes, pushing through your heels strong as you lift through off the floor, your tailbone, your lower spine, slowly up all the way into your shoulder. Okay, so once you reach your shoulder, you don't have to peel off anymore. Keep that nice flat all the way through, reaching your knees away from the body, squeezing your glutes tight, strong through the heel. And then from the top, you're going to round through your spine again, vertebrae per vertebrae, lower down. So upper part touches down, and then your lower spine touches down. Keep that squeeze and scoop through your pelvis. And then the last thing touches is your tailbone. And then you're gonna return back to your neutral spine. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, round through your spine, pushing down your lower spine, squeeze through your glutes to peel off the tailbone. Tilt your pelvis all the way to reach up towards the ceiling. Only the shoulder blade touches now. Keep reaching your knees away from your body. Straight all the way through, strong core. Keep it nice and tight wrapped. Inhale to prepare. Exhale from the top of your spine, slowly roll back down with your lower spine touches the mat before your tailbone, and then back to your neutral. Okay, now the same drill goes when you lift off with one leg. Okay, so single leg bridges now. I'm gonna just place it on top of my knee. Sometimes I find that helps me focus on the leg that I'm working the most. Okay, so here we go. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, push down through your lower spine, scoop your pelvis, hips forward. Keep pushing through that leg really nice and strong. Only your shoulder blade touches. Okay, inhale to prepare again. Exhale from the top of your spine, roll down, and then lower spine touches the mat before your tailbone, and then return back to your neutral. Okay, so I'm going to show you the other side. I'll keep my leg lifted this time, and then I'm just going to place my arms to the side. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, scoop your pelvis, extend the hips, lower spine peel off, all the way up into your shoulder blades. Keep reaching your knee away from your body. Inhale at the top. Exhale, round through the top of your spine. Lower spine touches the mat. Keep that scoop with your pelvis. And then your lower spine touches, your tailbone touches, and then back to your neutral spine. Okay, so I'm just going to do this a little faster so that you can see it in motion with the breath. Okay, here we go. All right, that's it. I exaggerated a little with my breath so you could hear me. And that is your single leg bridge.